Don't go and apply a Dream 11 team for a My Circle 11 team, because strategically they are different platforms. Why? Dream 11 forces you to get 3 batsmen, 1 all-rounder and 3 bowlers. That's a compulsion, along with 1 wicket keeper. The other platforms don't. So which means a Dream 11 fantasy team may not be as good for the other fantasy platforms. So the other fantasy platforms will have their own logic. So Pragyan Oja's 11 for Dream 11 will not be the same for My Circle 11 is what I'm trying to see.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, IP aliens is what I call all of you. You've arrived at the right platform for one very big reason. When you see your favorite player getting coached on the field, this is one platform where we'll coach you, give you some tips of how you can get your game right on fantasy gaming. Nobody's ever done that before, but we take care of you. That's the reason why you're watching Sports Today. My name is Ridhima Pathak, and let me get in my experts on the show. I've got some avid fantasy gamers, I must call them that. I've got Boria, Pragyan, and Rajashri back on the show with me. Boria, we've got a great game in hand today. It's MI, which is going in. Your tips for creating a Dream 11 for today's matchup.
Okay, you said Dream 11. So let me first say we are not advocating any particular platform. We are saying if you play fantasy on multiple platforms, whether it's Dream 11, whether it's My Circle 11, whether it's any other platform, there are differences. Don't go and apply a Dream 11 team for a My Circle 11 team, because strategically they are different platforms. Why? Dream 11 forces you to get 3 batsmen, 1 all-rounder and 3 bowlers. That's a compulsion, along with 1 wicket keeper. The other platforms don't. So which means a Dream 11 fantasy team may not be as good for the other fantasy platforms. So the other fantasy platforms will have their own logic. So Pragyan Oja's 11 for Dream 11 will not be the same for My Circle 11 is what I'm trying to see. So what we will do is we will give you a team for Dream 11 and we will also give you a team for My Circle 11. Then you take the call. Then you take the call and you will understand what we are talking about. So my Dream 11 team, as Ridhima has asked me for. Dream 11, I'm going with 11 individual players. I'm not going with Rajasthan versus Mumbai. That's my first take. I'm going with 7 Mumbai players and 4 Rajasthan players. Who are the 4 Rajasthan players? I'm going with the 4 saying Steve Smith, Joss Butler. I'll drop Sanju Samson because except Sharjah, Sanju Samson has not yet done much. And in Dream 11, he's 9.5 credit points, which I don't have with me because I will take 7 Mumbaikars. So Steve Smith, Joss Butler for the sake of consistency. I'll go with Jofra Archer. You have to have him. And one between a Rahul Tewatia and a Mahipal Lomro. That's it. And from the other standpoint, I will go with Rohit Sharma, Surya Kumar Yadav, Quinton de Kock. Takes care of my top order. Now comes the challenge. Krunal Pandya, because of the fact that he's bowling beautifully, has given me that additional bowling option. So one between Krunal Pandya and Ishan Kishan, whoever you want. Now comes your bowlers. You can obviously go Pattinson and Bolt because both are at 8 and 8.5 credit points. The final spot, that will depend on the toss. If Mumbai Indians win the toss, it is expected that Kieron Pollard will come and get a hit, or a Hardik Pandya. Hardik is coming ahead of Kieron Pollard. Both are same credit points, 9.5. Take one. If Mumbai Indians is batting second, which means if they are chasing about 145, 150, 155, 60 total, you don't expect a Kieron Pollard or a Hardik Pandya to come and get 40, 50. They might get 15, 20, 25 runs. Strategically important, but not from the perspective of fantasy. Get an additional bowler. That's how I'll go with my team.
All right. Well, he's casted out his Dream 11. And like very rightly you mentioned, Boria, before I move into asking the other experts about their Dream 11, what is the basic difference between these two particular apps that you mentioned?
Okay, the fundamental difference is in Dream 11, I'll have to have 1 wicket keeper, 3 batsmen, 1 all-rounder, 3 bowlers compulsory. Which means if I have to have my 7, so Sanju, Joss, Steve Smith, normal people will want all. You will want all. Pragyan and me all want. Pollard, Rohit, Surya and de Kock, I cannot have all 7. Because if I try to have all 7, I will not have enough credit points. That is the fundamental difference between Dream 11 and the other platforms. My Circle 11 or some other platform will allow you to have all 7. So strategically, you have to ask yourself, if you're playing Dream 11, who is the one among this 7 that I drop? You've got to drop one. And if you get that one drop right, Ridhima Pathak, you're a crorepati. If you're not, then you will end up losing everything. So now take your call.